Hi everyone! So today is the first week of our diet, liquid diet since nag-start kami. And ito yung progress. Parang super big. To this one now. Ito siya. Medyo nawala na din yung wet konti. Like this. And can't wait for the next 2 weeks. But ito yung sobrang lumubog. Alright, let's prepare our breakfast. Good morning, good morning. To take the smoothie, of course, because it's very tasty. So yesterday we had a I think I will have this breakfast smoothie, strawberry and banana. Kasi nag-black currant na tayo. Let's go! Yesterday is black currant. So now, mag-strawberry tayo. And banana. Hi guys, it's so inspiring. It's because si Ahsoka ay nag-loss na ng 4.7 kilo. And today, early morning, he's going for a swim and his smoothie. Woo! So, totoo lang guys. Hindi ka talaga mabubore dito. Napakasarap kasi. No, cannot. Kita yung talaga yung mga fruits na nasa loob. Ang sarap.
No. I don't want it. Don't touch that one, friends. No, not baby girl.
Hi guys. So, handa na po tayo. Eat na siya. As in. Gawin natin. Lagyan na lang tayo. I have this Lululemon also. So, kasi yung fitting ng Lululemon. Kaya, ganun. And look at this. It's like that. Eat na siya. But I need to do a lot of weights exercise para mag-firm. Kasi lumawlaw. And, yun na nga, guys. So, kailangan na lang natin is yung cash. Tsaka passport, of course. Kasi pinaka-importante yung passport natin. And, of course, mga cards. Just in case. Alright. See you guys later. Magkakape lang ako doon. Well, si Baby Boy ay maglaro. See you everyone. So, this is our outfit for today. Bye, guys. Guys, I caught Ahsoka doing extra sit-ups. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Hi everybody. We are going to Mid Valley to San Tyrese in the playhouse. Tyrese, you wanna go jump on the trampoline? Okay, we eat breakfast later, okay? You eat breakfast and tita, okay? Can eat nice food. Wow. Yes. We are finally here in the mall. Look at my son. He looks so cute. Say hi. Show your shoes. Wow.
Smile to everybody.
Smile. Okay, say hi to Daddy.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
You like Christmas? Wow, your shoe is so nice. It looks so nice. Tyrese, come here. Come here, Tyrese. You look so tall. Daddy, say hi, Daddy. We are here, Daddy.
I feel Daddy.
Wow, Mommy and Tita. They are holding me. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa close kasi yung isang playhouse. Kaya nandito na lang kami sa isang shopping area na may toys. Meron kasi talagang yung playhouse lang for the kids, pero sarado dahil may function. So, marami naman din dito sa ibang side. Maraming mga laruan, kaya dito na lang kami at merong mga damit, mga sapatos. So, baka mamaya ay sa shopping natin si Tyrese. Hello everyone! Good morning, good morning! Ayan ang pang-trail run. Ayan. Hey guys, nakabili na tayo ng new hiking shoe, trail shoes. And ito din, hiking bag, kasi lagi kaming pumunta doon sa bukid, which is likod lang din naman sa bahay namin, at saka sobrang ganda doon kasi may stream, pwede kang kumain doon soon pag pwede na kaming kumain. So now, balikan muna natin si baby boy dahil nabagot na, gutom na din yata. So yeah, give to mommy. Okay, okay, we'll pay first, ha? Okay, pay first then.
Okay. I remember.
Yeah, 0.
Guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. Kagaling ko lang magpamassage, mag-foot massage. Adik ako sa foot massage. So, nagkape ako. Tapos ako magkape. Nag-snacks na lang tayo. And then yung dinner natin. Nag-shake and go lang tayo ng chocolate. Masang araw nyo guys. Dito naman umuulan. Malakas yung ulan. Naulan ako dito sa talim ko na saging kasi nagbunga na siya. Nagbunga na naman kasi nagbunga na to dati. Sobrang dami yung bunga. And then ang lalaki. So ngayon naman, bago-bago lang to. So after 3 months pa daw, makapag-harvest na naman ng organic banana. Kumusta kayo dyan? Happy Sunday everyone! Ako ay sobrang saya at feeling very, very healthy and fit. Later, mag-exercise na ako dito sa bahay kasi umulan sa labas. Wala kang magagawa. Hindi ka pwede mag-jogging. So, tayo ang mag-exercise dito sa loob. Gagawa natin ng paraan. Kasi pag gusto, may paraan. Pero pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. You guys, ito ang aking snack. It's 3:30 p.m. It's Sunday. 1 week na. First week namin sa aming diet. Very happy. Bye guys. Hi guys. We are here. Nearby na naman sa train track. Because my son wants to see the train. Wow. How many Bob we saw? How many? How many Bob we saw?
1
1
Bob.
Bob. Happy Sunday. Say happy Sunday everyone.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? 1 week. Ah, that is, look! That's rain! Ayan. Woo! Happy Sunday, everybody! Hello, everyone. Nandito na naman kami sa gym.